All right, I'm here to teach you how to actually trade Bitcoin or trade Ethereum or Dogecoin or PNB with the same strategy. All that you need is to change the chart, okay, from any time frame to the daily time frame. So I want to do the daily time frame, okay. Now I want you to also draw your support and resistance line. So I have this one is a very powerful support here. So I have my support drawn there. So whenever price reaches the support, I expect a reaction. Okay, but that's not the strategy. I have a very powerful resistance up here. Okay. Now the key component in this trading strategy is to have your EMA set to 100 and then 200. So I have the yellow representing the 100 EMA and then the red representing the 200 EMA. So when I switch the chart to the daily and the price is above the 100 and then the 200, I'm still bullish. Okay, the coin is still bullish. So I don't just trade like that. Okay, what I do is I wait for the price, okay, so that to rise and fall. So when it falls, that is the retracement. Okay, so from this point, and because it's so above the 100 and the 200, I can look for a trading opportunity here. The trading opportunity is I can see a bullish engulfing candle here. So this green candle is bullish, and that will give me a confirmation to enter the trade and place my stop loss somewhere here. So that one was, so any retracement actually I wait for a confirmation and then a candle price action, then I place the trade. So here the retracement wasn't that deep, so I have to wait. So it came back to resistance and came retraced back to the support. So now I have two candles, two green candles, first one, second one. So this is actually telling me that Bitcoin is actually going to be bullish. So what I do is I'll place buy and then have my stop just below this, and that is actually how I do. And the point is that I can hold the trade for a week, 2 weeks, and still I'll make a profit from the trade. So this strategy will help you a lot if you actually want to trade and make money, okay, consistently from Bitcoin.